How's it going, everyone? Apologies for not having any devlogs this past weekend. I was busy with my real job, so uh, wasn't able to do any videos for this channel. Uh, but I was able to work on the game. I'm going to show you what I've done this past weekend. And by the way, happy Memorial Day. So let's start. Uh, all right, hang on, let me restart. Gonna leave this mistake in because I don't feel like re-recording this. But anyway, nothing much changed with the menu. Uh, anyway, still got the timer. Still got our boom makers. Our tanks and planes and our square planes, which I'll talk about a little bit right there. Yep, our boom makers right there. Which, oh no, I got hit. Oh, but what happens if I want to go to the bathroom? Well, boom, pause. Yep, got a little pause menu going right now. If you press E, it'll pause the game. Now, I really want to add more of a menu to this, but right now, for the simple, basic, having a pause button is fine. And when I press back, it just resumes where I left off. And why I was dealing with a glitch before, which I wish I could show you because um, what would happen because of how I set up with the code. The alarms for spawning everything on screen would reset. So it would just, at the beginning, you could technically glitch it out. So it would spawn like a crazy amount of tanks, planes, boom makers, and health. It was insane. So what I did was add in delay for the pause, which I'll show you after. And anyway, we're just gonna let things play its course. La 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 la. And for those of you who do not know, I plan on getting this game out. Oh yeah, by the way, when you die, there's a little bit of a delay that shows like, hey, you die. So it doesn't teleport you right to the game over, and you're like, what the heck? There's a little like, just like about 10 seconds, not 10 seconds, just about a second, I want to say, where you kind of register that you died uh, before that. So that's another thing I implement. Anyway, so for the pause menu, what I did was I made a create pause countdown. That's what I named it. That's just, and I set it to 2. So step event, if you press pause, so the alarms are set to 0. Pause equals true. Deactivate all true. However, else if pause equals false. Countdown, pause countdown equals 2. Alarms are set back up. So, alright, well, you have it set up so it'll variable setup, but how is the game actually counting down? Well, I'm actually doing it in alarm 0. For both countdown and pause countdown, it's minus equals 1, and it'll spawn all this when each of them is less than or equal to 0. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And for the good old death delay, countdown death 100. Where is it? There we go. If lives are less than or equal to 0. So pretty much what I did was deactivate player, deactivate the head object, because they're two. So the head and the body are actually two different objects in Game Maker. So I do that, like deactivate those, then countdown death minus equals 1, and it's going like super fast, like it's just rapidly decreasing. And then when it's less than or equals 0, room, go to game over. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got. So right now, I pretty much have the foundation so far. Like, gameplay mechanics wise, I'm other than other things like melee attacks, which I want to add. But anyway, a core experience for an endless runner, I have it set up, and I also there's a bunch I still need to set up. That's why I still have like 5 months to work on this game still, but I do plan on getting it out for early access Thursday or Friday. That is my goal. So probably this week I'm not gonna touch much on the gameplay itself as I want to put some polish onto it. So pretty much put a little polish, get some sprites in there, get some placeholder, sound effects just to pretty it up a little bit. Feel like that would be a good idea that you're not just fighting a red square in the middle of the sky. Let's have it make sense. So yeah, that's about it for this devlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll definitely have more information when it comes out. Pretty much I like to try to do these every day when I can. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Take care.